Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of Inworld.ai, a platform that lets you create incredible AI characters to bring your games and virtual experiences to life. Whether you're a seasoned game developer or just starting out with interactive storytelling, Inworld.ai offers a powerful toolkit. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know. Inworld.ai's core product is the Inworld Studio. Think of it as your workshop for crafting the essence of your AI character. Here's where the magic happens. First, you define your character's core description. Imagine it as a one-sentence bio. Are they a wise old wizard or a mischievous goblin? This sets the foundation. Next, you delve into their personality and emotions. Will they be sarcastic and witty or kind and compassionate? This shapes how they react and interact with others. Facts and knowledge are crucial too. Does your character know the history of the world? Are they an expert swordsman? Equipping them with background knowledge creates a more believable and engaging experience. Don't forget the voice and dialogue style. Inworld.ai offers a variety of voices to choose from, and you can define how your character speaks: formal, friendly, or full of slang. Finally, you can set goals for your character. These can be simple tasks or complex objectives that guide their behavior and decision-making within your world. Now that you've built the core of your AI character, let's explore how Inworld.ai caters to different needs. Inworld.ai lets you integrate AI characters, NPCs, into your games through different game engines such as Unity and Unreal Engine, creating dynamic and engaging interactions for players. Imagine NPCs who react differently based on player choices or remember past encounters. That's the power of Inworld.ai. Create a more immersive virtual world experience by build virtual assistants or companions powered by Inworld.ai. These AI characters can answer questions, guide users, and personalize their journey within your virtual space. Inworld.ai isn't just for games and virtual worlds. You can create intelligent chatbots that handle customer service inquiries or provide information in a conversational way. Even the educational realm benefits. Imagine interactive learning experiences with AI characters that answer student questions, offer personalized guidance, and make learning more engaging. In addition to character creation, Inworld.ai has a robust AI voice generator and text-to-speech API for gaming and other online use cases such as tutorials and videos. Just listen to some examples to check the quality and naturality of the voices.
The garden is home to more than just plants and flowers. It is also a sanctuary for the fairies, mystical beings with the power to heal. Should one find themselves needing restoration, they need only seek out the fairies and welcome their tender touch, which possesses the power to evoke healing.
In the depths of an age-old forest, a young knight stumbles upon their destiny amid the echoes of a forgotten age and whispered mysteries. With each twist and turn, their journey unfolds, uncovering hidden truths and unseen threats.
Furthermore, Inworld offers a treasure trove of tools for developers who want to go beyond the current features of the platform. With API access, you can programmatically interact with Inworld.ai. This allows you to create custom functionalities and delve deeper into integrating AI characters seamlessly into your projects. Inworld.ai doesn't leave you alone in the ocean. They provide comprehensive documentation and tutorials to guide you through the development process, step by step. In addition to the learning resources, there's a vibrant developer community forum where you can connect with other developers, share knowledge, and troubleshoot any challenges you face. This was a brief overview of the platform's main features. Please like and subscribe for more similar videos on the way soon. Bye for now.